Joseph Dale. I am a service advisor at Atlanta Speed Company. Today we have one of our customers, 2023 BMW M2. Pretty much it is stock right now, besides the obvious stuff. Engine is stock, just has a D9 intake in it. He bought it with the intentions of tracking it, being a fun car, but still not going too far. Did start off with the basics. We did some cooling with the oil cooler. So we got the KW coilover, the coilover kit, which is just pretty much a spring over the stock coil, so you keep your settings in the menu for the dampening. But without that, we kind of ran into, couldn't get the alignment specs in, so we did jump up to the MCS one-way coilovers, SPL, suspension arms, sway bar end links, everything, just so we could dial the car a little bit in for him. Then he got into the Global Time Attack, which we were one of the first to get the Various Aero kit from them a little bit early to help us get the car done and get to Global Time Attack. On the hood, we have the Various hood vent, which was probably one of the most painstaking things we had to do. Cut a brand new car and put a hood vent on it, but it does help extract heat, keeps everything cool. Looks really cool. Shows off the BMW engine, but very useful on track, especially on hot days in the summer. And also another biggest thing we did, Apex wheels with the Advan AL52s, 275/35 up front and 295/30/19 in the rear. As far as on the inside, we started with the Tillet carbon seats. They are not reclinable, but they do fit really well. I can fit in them. Most people can fit in them. They just sit really low, so for short folks, it's not the best, but it works really well in this car. Not too cramped. I mean, it's not your heated stock seats, but it's very comfortable, very engaging in the car when you're driving on track. Also, he went with the rear seat delete, so there is no seats in the back seat. Normally there is, obviously, but that's where the CMS cage is. Has the mounts for the fire suppression just in case. Obviously, you want your G-force 6-point harnesses in there to keep you safe and if anything happens. But yeah, other than that, I mean, you can hop in it, go on a date, go on a cruise on the street, and still safe and everything's good. Still have your BMW luxury. So on the rear, we have the Various Engineering swan neck wing for it. Something that we did on the later end, right before Global Time Attack as well. Helped keeps it stable, even with the stock power. It can get a little aggressive in the rear, so we needed some help with keeping the rear planet on track and everything. So, but yeah, super great car, solid build. So yeah, we'll go inside and check the suspension out in the lift. All right, now we're inside checking out some of the aero and the brake setup on the M2. We have the Various Engineering dive planes, the Various Engineering splitter, CSF oil cooler setup, and with the suspension, MCS one-way coilovers, gyro disc setup, which is pretty much a package from CSG Garage. Same on the rear. MCS one-ways, you can see some of the SPL control arms and adjustments, CSG Garage package. And that's it. And we're going to head outside and go for a little test drive.